Okay, so this is the second video I'm doing on fractions of amounts. In the first video, we just focused on unit fractions. So, for instance, say we were trying to find 1/7 of 56. Okay, that's one of the calculations we did last time. All we did to find that was we took our number and we divided it into 7 pieces to get an answer of 8. Next up, we're going to look at when we do not have a 1 up here, and we're going to use this stage of finding a unit fraction in order to work that out. Okay, so let's imagine we wanted to find 3/7 of 56. Okay, that's the question we're looking at. So first of all, we're going to find out 1/7, and then we want 3 lots of that 1/7. Okay, so we know from our working up here that 1/7 of 56 is equal to 8. Okay, we've worked that out. We've done 56 divided by 7 to get our answer of 8. Okay, so now if we wanted to work out what 3/7 of 56 was, well, instead of 1/7, we want 3/7. So we want 3 lots of 1/7. So we're going to have 3 lots of 8. Well, 8 times 3 is 24. Okay, so that's how we get to our answer. We find our unit fraction, so 1 over whatever the denominator is, and then we multiply by our numerator to get the final answer. Okay, so let's have a look at another one. If we were trying to find 5/6 of 24, I would first of all, let's find out what 1/6 of 24 is. So 1/6 of 24 is equal to, we're just going to do 24 divided by 6, which is 4. Okay, now we don't want 1/6, we want 5/6. So we're going to take this and multiply it by 5 to find out what 5/6 is. And we do the same to our 1/6 of 24 to get 5/6. So we get an answer of 20. Okay, so you find out what one of the 1/6 is, and then you just times it by 5 to work out what 5/6 is. Okay, let's do another question. I'll tell you what I'll do over here. We're going to have 4/9 of 18. Well, I know that 1/9 of 18 is just going to be 18 divided by 9, which is 2. So then 4/9 would be 2 multiplied by 4 to get an answer of 8. Okay, so to get from 1/9 to 4/9, you times by 4. To get from 2 to 8, we did the same calculation. Okay, I'm going to do one more example. Let's have a look at, tell you what, we'll do 4/9 of a slightly harder number. So let's do 4/9 of 306. Okay, so my first step would be to find 1/9 of 306. So 1 over 9 of 306. So in order to do that, I'm going to do 306. I'll just do a little bit of side working over here. 306 divided by 9. So let's do 9s to 306. 9s into 3 do not go, carry over the 3. 9s into 30 are going to go 3 times with a remainder of 3. 9s into 36 go 4 times. Okay, so we've worked out that 1/9 of 306 is equal to 34. Now we want 4/9. So we're going to take this answer and multiply it by 4. That will give us 4/9. So let's do that quickly. I might just do Napier's. 4 times 4 is 16. And then we've got 3 times 4 is 12. 6. Add them two together, it's 3. 136. Okay, so that's how you'd go from knowing your unit fraction to working out any other fraction with a different numerator. Okay, so it all stems from what we did in the video before, so you need to make sure you're confident in finding your unit fractions. Then once you've got that down, it's just a case of multiplication.